Love me forever with your hands. Kiss me and hold me in your arms. Hand in hand together, facing the world, searching for the truth and love in your hands. In my life, all I need is your everlasting love. Always shines through your heart and will never.
Day check. So today is May 2, 2024. Happy 6 months of love, hubby. I love you so much po. More victory, monthsary, and anniversary to come. Stay strong na po sa atin and more pag-intindi. Mahal na mahal po kita at mag-ingat ka po palagi. I love you. See you soon again.
If we love each other, share the dreams of